Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here today. Today I have my Sephora play for the month of February. Yes, we are still getting through the February boxes. This is what it looks like on the inside. I have absolutely no idea what is in here, so let's get into it and find out. Sephora Play is a $10 a month beauty box and you can get it right from the Sephora website. You can go on, they send it to you automatically every month until you cancel it. It's easy to cancel. You get a piece of paperwork that will tell you everything you have inside this nice plastic bag that used to be a nice fabric bag. But I do have to reach into the Wayback Machine to complain about the plastic bags. We haven't had the fabric ones for probably almost 2 years. So let's get in here and see what I've got. I have absolutely no idea. I don't open anything that shows my spoilers, and what other people get is quite often has nothing to do with what you're going to get. Let's see indeed what I have. This says The Anatomy of a Beauty Lover's Heart. There's just usually something cute on the flip side of this. And it says, this one goes out to the luxury flings that make every day feel like a special day. R.I.P. to the lipsticks we've loved and lost. You were here for a good time, but not for a long time. That is true. How many times have you loved a lipstick and they have discontinued it? Ugh. And then the back side, which we're not looking at, shows us what is indeed in this bag. So last month's box, I was a little scathing. I don't really get scathing, but I was as scathing as I get and said, you know what? Everything I got was a repeat. So let's see if they've done better this month. Reaching right in, the very first thing I have is the Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Moisturizer with Multi-Action Super Lotus. I don't think I've ever had this, so we're off to a great start. There's a really, really pretty packaging that it comes in. And let's see what the inside is. And on the inside, it's a cute little, oh, it's a nice little frosted glass bottle. It's really nice quality. That's the beauty of Sephora, is although you might get really small samples, it's usually really quality products. So let's see what the paperwork says. Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Moisturizer. This hydrating cream combats dryness, dullness, and uneven texture. Plus, it delivers a young and in-love glow. Lotus root extract fights the first signs of aging, and maca root extract delivers lasting moisture for luminous skin. Well, that sounds good. All right, I have read over the ingredients, and it is, it is something that I can try. So let's get in here and see what it looks like. It doesn't really smell like anything. It is chock full. So let's put a little bit onto the back of my hand, and we'll see what it feels like. It is a very lightweight moisturizer, but that doesn't mean it can't be very moisturizing. Once you've rubbed it in, it does tend to have, it has a little bit of a cucumber smell to it, I think. It made my hand moisturized. Not crazy moisturized, but moisturized. We'll see. That might be more of a summer product. Okay, reaching in next, I have, something from Kat Von D. And that is what the top looks like. It is so pretty. And the bottom says translucent setting powder. You can always use a nice translucent setting powder. That is what it looks like. You guys know what a setting powder looks like, so we won't take the lid off that. Let's see what the paperwork says. Kat Von D Beauty, which I don't think, by the way, exists anymore. I think that she was bought out. She's nothing to do with the company anymore, and it's KVD. They kept her initials, but not her name, which I think is unusual because I don't think I would use those initials. This setting powder has a weightless formula that'll leave your complexion shine-free, so it's safe to say it's a keeper. Okay, also not a repeat. Next, I have the Yves Saint Laurent Tatouage Couture Matte Stain. This doesn't say what it is, what color it is, but I might have this. I'm going to go look in a second. Let's read about this. This says that it is a number 5 Rosewood Gang, a high pigmented deep mauve pink stain with a lightweight and ultra matte formula. It's totally crush worthy. Okay, hold on one second. And I'm back. This, not this, same, is the number 5 Yves Saint Laurent Tatouage I got in the exact same color. I'm trying to keep this one separate. I'm going to put it over there. This is the one that I owned. And it's a repeat. So let me show you, because it's a gorgeous color. I don't wear it very often because I so often don't wear matte liquid lips, just because, especially in the winter, they dry me out. But it's a gorgeous color, absolutely gorgeous color. But I'm not going to open that one because I own it from Sephora. Just saying. Reaching in next, I have, oh, it's our bonus. We always get a bonus. This is Dry Bar, so I am thrilled with that. I am pseudo thrilled with that because it's called Blonde Ale Brightening Shampoo. This is what they look like. And each month with the Sephora box, you get a bonus. And it's usually a perfume or a foil packet of shampoo and conditioner or something like that. So this is our bonus. And this says that it is a gentle cleansing duo that will put in the time and effort your hair deserves to deliver a more vibrant and healthy looking color. I will probably set this aside for my mom because my mom has a really pretty head of sparkly silver hair. And since it's blonde ale and it's brightening, you know, blonde shampoos are quite often good for gray hair. They help them not get that yellow. So I will set this aside for her. Reaching in next, I have the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Water Foundation in Fairlight Neutral. This is what the box looks like. I'm smiling because I got this, remember about 3 or 4 months back, I got the box that was like all foundations and everybody was like, oh my gosh, you got such a good box. And I agree, it was a fantastic box. This was one of the foundations that I got. So I think I ended up passing that on to my mom. So I'll have to see if she liked this too. And I can pass this along to her. I did not love the coverage. I need a little more coverage than this offered. But there was absolutely nothing wrong with the foundation. I'm not going to open it because I'm going to pass it along. But let me tell you what the paperwork says. Sea Water Foundation Broad Spectrum SPF 15 and 15 in Fairlight Neutral. This foundation helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while delivering weightless, buildable coverage. It's a formula your skin won't even want to live without. And it is exclusive, apparently, to Sephora. Okay, so there's that. And last but not least, I have the Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Cream Hydrating Moisturizer. And I have this very recently too, from my Sephora bag. Let's see what the paperwork says. An innovative ultra moisturizing cream that'll leave your skin feeling like it's on cloud 9 for up to 72 hours. Let's see if it's sealed. Because if it's sealed, I'll pop it in one of those giveaways back there. It is sealed, so I'm not going to open it so that I can put it back there. Okay, 3 out of the 5 products I have had recently from Sephora. I don't mind as much as some people probably would because I have this nice giveaway and I have the Insta giveaway that I'm starting. So I can put these tiny little things in these giveaway, or actually I'll put this one over here. And I will save this one for the Insta giveaway that I'm doing because like I've said, I'm going to make that international. So things that are good but lightweight, like this is a nice Yves Saint Laurent, but it's very lightweight. So it'll be perfect for that. I will absolutely try the Fresh Lotus and probably the Kat Von D setting powder. It might end up in that Insta giveaway. And I will pass this along. So because I have people to pass things on to, I don't mind. I could see why some people, though, would be slightly annoyed that we seem to be in a time where we are getting a lot of repeats. My box last month, I think, was 100% repeats. And this month, it is 3 out of 5 repeats. And I understand that over time, you know, if you did this for years and years, you could get to the point where you had repeats. But I would say all of the repeats that I have had in the last 2 months have all been within the last year. Some of them most definitely. I think all of my repeats for today that I have been within the last, say, 4 months. That's pretty quick to start into repeats again. So I still like the box. I love the products that they give. I am super happy to pass them along. I just want you guys to know, in case you watch this and you're thinking, do I want the Sephora box? I want you to have the information. Oh, for an extra entry, since this was a Sephora box, let's go with something super simple. Are you an Ulta girl or are you a Sephora girl? I will admit right off the bat, I'm a Sephora girl. I don't wear much drugstore makeup. I keep wanting to try more. My girlfriend Jeannie over at Get This Glowing does so many, I mean, she does a lot of premier brand things too, but she also does a lot of drugstore things. And every time I watch one of her videos, I think I so need to go out and try that, because I think the quality of what we consider drugstore makeup has come up so much since we first started. I say we, I mean people like me. People, let's say over, let's round and say 45. It's a serious rounding number right there. Drugstore used to be junk makeup, and I think now a lot of it is really quality. You just have to know what to get. And Jeannie tries on a lot of things that I think I have got to check that out. So I've got to start checking that out. And I know you can do a lot of that at Ulta, but I am just so drawn, if by nothing else than loyalty, to Sephora. So let me know below, Sephora or Ulta. Where do you do most of your makeup shopping? Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. Be sure and go over and enter the giveaway if you haven't done that already, and I'll see you guys really soon.